Today, I'm going to show you how to order a domain and hosting. The first step would be to log into your HOSTAFRICA client area. Then, click on Services from the top menu. From the drop-down, click on Order New Services. On the next screen, you'll see the various products that you're able to order. For now, we are going to order web hosting, and I will select the Web Starter plan. Click on Order Now. On the next screen, you'll be able to choose your domain, your billing cycle, and your payment method. For the domain, this could be a new domain that you wish to register, or it could be an existing domain that you wish to transfer over to HOSTAFRICA. For now, we are just going to specify a new domain. Type in your domain name in there and click on the search button. It will now let you know if the domain is available for registration and also provide you some alternatives. We're going to select the top one. Down here, you can select your billing cycle. For now, we're going to leave it on 1 month. And then finally, you can also select your preferred payment method. For now, we will select credit card and then we will click on Pay Now. You'll be provided with an option here if you wish to complete the order at a later stage or go ahead with payment right now. We will go ahead right now. And there you go. The order has been placed. Now we just have to pay. Since we chose the credit card method, we need to enter our card details here. Once you've paid, your hosting products will be provisioned and activated. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like and subscribe icons for more. Stay tuned for our next tutorial. Until then, happy hosting!